Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Okay, so for this session, first I want to show you how to run analysis of variance, which is Anova, by using SPSS. Okay, let's say you already have a data set in SPSS format, which is .sav. Okay, so for this session, I want to illustrate how to run iqdata.sav. So later on you can try on your own how to run this data set at your laptop. Okay, I put the data in the Google Classroom, so you can try after class. Okay, so before that, I want to explain what is the data about. Okay, so this data set has, let's take a look into the variable view first. Okay, in the variable view, there are two variables that has been described here. First, we have group first variable names as group. Okay, so kalau kita tengok dekat values kat sini, there are three groups. First, we have physics student, represent by value 1, value 2 represent math student, value 3 represent chemistry student. Okay. And then second variable which call it as IQ. Okay, so this one is representing the IQ score for this group of student lah. Okay, now look at the data view, sorry. Okay, so kalau awak tengok kat sini, mula-mula dia record for the first column is represent the first variable, which is group. So the total of the data set here, we have 45 data. Okay, for group 1, we have data from number 1 up to number 15 and their respective IQ score. And then data number 16 until 30 for group number 2. Okay, and then from 31 to 45 is group 3. Okay, and their respective IQ score. Okay, now I want to run the analysis of variance, Anova. So you go to the analyze. Okay, and then choose compare mean. Okay, so from here you can choose either you want to compare mean, either you want to conduct one sample t-test, independent sample t-test, paired sample t-test, and one-way Anova. So for this session, I want to conduct one-way analysis of variance. So you just click on one-way Anova. Okay, and then this pop-up will show lah. Okay, so now which variable that we want to insert in the dependent list tab and factor tab. Okay, so dependent list tab is referring to our data set. Okay, our response variable. So our response variable here is IQ score. So you just choose IQ score, click this one, and then the variable we enter in this box lah, ataupun awak boleh double click saja. Sorry. Ataupun you can drag dia ke sini, dia boleh masuk juga. And then the factor, kita masukkan group number ataupun just this one. Okay, so for this one tak ada apa, awak tak perlu buat apa, you don't have to do anything. This one also for option also does not have to use, tak perlu buat apa-apa. Okay, and then just click OK. Okay, so apa yang dia bagi kat awak adalah output of Anova table. Okay, so when we have the Anova table, now you can conduct the 5 steps. Okay, so the 5 step is the things that you need to explain in your report. Okay, together with the Anova table that has been calculated by using SPSS. Okay. And then you come up with your conclusion. Okay, after you conduct the 5 step, come up with a conclusion.